2017 Golf R with only 27,000 miles on it. This Golf has the 4Motion all-wheel drive. It's in excellent condition with very little apologies, if any, on the exterior. No dents or scratches. It's got the R wheels with brand new rotors and tires all around. And as you can see, it's got great tread left on it. Here we have the headlights, the upgraded headlights that come with the R. And this car is just incredibly clean for one, and super low mileage. It's been used very lightly. And in the back, you'll see the car is excellent, absolutely no scuffs or wear on the seats. And as far as technology and upgrades go, this car is fully loaded. You've got your navigation system, as well as your backup camera and rear parking sensors. You've got your push to start, as well as 2 keys that come with it. The car has the heated leather seats, the dual climate control, as I said, the navigation, as well as it connects to your phone, whether it's an Android or an iPhone, through CarPlay or Android Auto. It's got the lane departure, active cruise control, blind spot assist over here, if you can see that. And you've got your mounted steering wheel controls for Bluetooth, your phone, cruise control, as well as the little secondary screen here. And here, I really like this bezel-less rear view camera that comes with it. Yeah, this car is very loaded, and it drives wonderfully. The turbo, it has about 300 horsepower, so this car is packing a lot of speed. It drives super nice, great suspension. If you're interested in this car, please call us at 617-538-2099. Thank you.